It's Mr. Whiskers and his friends.
Meow, 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 meow. Oh, Mr. Koala, I wasn't aware that we had company. Meow, 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 let me see here, meow. Ah, yes. Today, we'll be reading Dream Little Dreamers by Gilpin, a story about the magical wonders of dreamland. And without further ado, sit back and relax. Rest your head, your nose, and your toes. Open your eyes and open your ears. Put on a smile and enjoy the show. All little children, girls and boys. It's time to put on your PJs. It's time to put away your toys. For night has fallen and it's time to climb into bed. To snuggle under covers with a pillow under head. It's time to be tucked in tight and left warm to keep. It's time to close your eyes and fall asleep. For in your dreams awaits a world of wonder, a place for adventure while you rest in slumber. Trouble sleeping? Try counting sheep. Over fences they bounce and they leap. Before you know it, you'll be out like a light, and visions of grandeur will begin to take flight. For in your dreams you can be anything you desire. Perhaps a prince or a princess. Perhaps you've set your sights higher. You can travel the world and sail the seas. Imagination is the key to endless possibilities. So go on and dream, little dreamers. Dream of a world of fantasy and delight. Dream, little dreamers. Godspeed and good night. My goodness, that sounds exciting. I think I'm going to go to bed, meow, and see what adventure awaits me. Until next time, my young story timers, this is Mr. Whiskers saying meow and good night. Hello everyone, Mr. Whiskers here. Enjoying our story times? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss a story. And tell your friends so they can join in the fun. Goodbye for meow.